About this item, what you get: we provide 2x premium nylon braided USB Type-C cable, 3.3 feet, during the use of our products. If you have any questions or dissatisfaction, please contact our customer support team. We will serve you wholeheartedly. 3.1A fast charging and sync. 3.1A fast charge, transfer speed up to 480 Mbps, data transfer and power charging 2-in-1. High quality cables protect your devices free from damage. Military grade material, strong military fiber, the most flexible, powerful and durable material, makes tensile force increased by 200%. Special strain relief design, can bear 10,000 plus bending test. Premium aluminum housing makes the cable more durable. Premium nylon braided Type-C cable adds additional durability and tangle-free. About PD fast charging, iPad Pro 2018, Samsung Galaxy S20/S20 Plus/S20 Ultra/Note 10 Plus, Google Pixel XL/2/3/4 XL, equipped with C-port wall charger.